Hey guys, it's the 1st of October 2016. This is the start of the backcountry season for most of New Zealand. I'm in the North Island of New Zealand. We've had a lot of rain in the last week and all the rivers are pretty much unfishable right throughout North Island. I'm at the head of one of the streams that I fish. Hopefully the theory was that there'll be less runoff and so the stream should be smaller. That is the case. But only just. It's still up considerably to what it can be. So, but there are fish here. There's one here. So, welcome to my channel, and I'm all about fishing, not about bullshit and scenery and anything like that. I'm just about fishing. So that's what you're going to get from my channel. So here we go. I'm going to put this on. This is a Garmin Verb, just a basic series. I'm going to put this on my head. And I'm going to see if I can take one of these trout from here. So welcome to the 2016 backcountry season. Did you? Really shitty spot, bro. So I should use a dry fly and dropper for this guy. My lead is too long. I'm nymphing. I put on a nymphing rig. I'm not going to detect the strike. So this is a temple fork rod, and it's a what is it? It's an 8'6", 5/6 weight, and I've got it loaded with a 6-weight line. So I'm going to get this guy on pretty quickly. They're older fish, so they're not going to have as much fight at this time of year. It's really early in the season. Oh, come on! And this rod is super bendy. No, I don't want to go down there. So what I'm going to do, because I don't want to go down there, I'm just going to give him a little bit of line. I'm just going to relax the pressure on him and see if he'll come back up. Come on. Come on. Because I really don't want to go down through there. And you don't either, mate. But you're going to, aren't you? Alright. So that didn't work. And now I have to horse him a bit. And that's not going to work either. You dirty bastard. So I would have liked my walking stick. going to horse him over to the side. I'm going to walk him down and in. Come on. Come on. There you go.